Of course, you're all aware of the efficacy of Relora, Relora being a patented herbal blend based on an ancient or old traditional herbal formula from Asia. Relora has been shown to have many effects, but one of the major effects of Relora, and its most important effect, is in reducing the detrimental effects of stress on the body. Many of the effects of stress are due to increased cortisol. Cortisol is produced in the body to ensure fight or flight. And during stress periods, and sometimes for a long period after stress periods, the body continues to produce more cortisol than it should. It is, if you wish, trigger happy when it comes to cortisol production. And cortisol's effects include reducing sleep, reducing memory and concentration, affecting the gastrointestinal tract, gastrointestinal permeability, so it could increase the risk of allergies, it can increase the risk of food intolerances. Cortisol has been shown to have impacts on the skin, on the muscles, increased inflammation, and virtually any kind of symptom that is related to stress. And Relora has shown in clinical studies a major effect on reducing those stress factors or stress symptoms because of its impact on cortisol. As an example, people who are given Relora actually had significantly less cravings for sugar or salt during stress periods. They lost weight, especially the belly fat or truncal weight often associated with stress. There was an improvement in sleep, a reduction of anxiety, and again, all of the major variables or symptoms of stress. Now, Relora works very effectively, but Relora works even more effectively when its cofactors or nutrients required for it to function better are given. As an example, in Relora Plus, we do have Relora, of course, but we also have GABA, which helps in brain function, memory, concentration, in stabilizing brain activity. We have 5-hydroxytryptophan, which is a precursor of serotonin. It's the metabolite of 5-hydroxytryptophan, and it has been shown to improve a lot of serotonin deficit disorders such as depression, sleep problems, and so on. And we know that stress, cortisol during stress, depletes a significant amount of serotonin from the body. B2, B6, folic acid, and B12 are also cofactors in the process required to reduce cortisol and to increase or improve the reactions of well-nourished individuals to stress. So Relora Plus is a complex that targets reduced cortisol for all of your customers who have had significant stressors or are still having stressors, whether they're emotional stressors, hormonal stressors, physical stressors, immune stressors. All of them require response of the body to the stress. Relora will work significantly, and again is a complex, giving the body everything it needs to be able to use the ingredients in Relora effectively and safely.